Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from RAS1204E and we will be presenting about wireless communication system. This is our group member, which is Dina, Fatin, Sofia and Anis. Imagine a world without Wi-Fi, mobile phones, GPS or satellite television. It will be difficult to stay connected, access information or communicate with others. This is why wireless communication systems are so important in our daily life. A wireless communication system transmits information between devices without physical wires by using electromagnetic wave. For example, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks and satellite communications. Radio waves are the main electromagnetic wave used in wireless communication. They carry signals such as voice, text, image, video and internet data over short and long distances. Different communication technologies operate at different radio frequencies depending on their purpose. Because radio waves can travel through the atmosphere without physical connections, they enable wireless communication and form the foundation of modern communication system.
Today, I will explain wireless communication system using radio wave. First, radio waves are part of the electromagnetic spectrum and are widely used for wireless communication. Different systems use different frequency band. For example, higher frequency allow faster data transfer but shorter range, while lower frequency can travel longer distance. In real application, Wi-Fi use 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Bluetooth use 2.4 GHz for short-range communication. And cellular network use multiple frequency band. Satellite use high frequency signal for long distance communication between Earth and space. Next is signal propagation. This refers to how radio waves travel from a transmitter to a receiver. As the distance increases, the signal becomes weaker. Radio waves can also reflect, direct or scatter when they hit obstacles like building or tree. This is why environment conditions can affect signal quality. In real system, Wi-Fi travel from a router to device. Bluetooth work over short distance. Cellular signal connect phone to tower and satellite communicates over very long distance. Signal quality is improved using application or error. Lastly, antenna are very important in wireless communication. Antenna transmit and receive radio wave by converting electrical signal into electromagnetic wave and vice versa. Their design affects signal strength and coverage. For example, Wi-Fi routers and smartphone used for communication. Bluetooth device use small antenna for short-range communication. And satellite use directional antennas for long-distance transmission. Some systems are also using MIMO technology to improve performance.
Core technologies in wireless communication refer to the main systems that allow devices to connect and communicate without physical cables. In this section, I will explain 4 key technologies which are Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks such as 4G and 5G, and satellite communication. Each of these technologies plays an important role in our daily communication, from internet access to global connectivity. Wi-Fi, also known as Wireless Local Area Network or WLAN, is commonly used for short-range internet access in places like homes, schools, and cafes. It works through a router that transmits data using radio wave and is based on IEEE 802 standards. This typical range of Wi-Fi is around 20 to 100 meters. One of the main advantages of Wi-Fi is that it is fast and convenient, and it does not require any physical cables. However, it also has some limitations. The signal range is limited and the connection can be affected by walls or interference from other devices. Bluetooth is a wireless technology used for short distance data transfer between devices. It is commonly used to connect devices such as earphones, speakers, and keyboards. The typical range is about 10 meters, although newer versions can support a longer range. Bluetooth has the advantage of low power consumption and easy device pairing, making it very convenient for everyday use. However, it is lower compared to Wi-Fi and also has a more limited range. Cellular networks are used for mobile communication, including calls, SMS, and internet access. They work through a network of cell towers and can cover very large areas, even nationwide or globally. 4G technology provides faster speeds than 3G and supports activities such as streaming, browsing, and using online applications. 5G is the latest generation, offering much higher speeds and lower latency, which means less delay in communications. It also supports advanced technology such as smart cities and self-driving cars. Satellite communication uses satellites in space to transmit signals over very long distance. It is especially useful for covering remote areas where there are no cell towers available. This technology is used in applications such as GPS navigation, weather forecasting, and television broadcasting. The main advantage is its wide coverage even in isolated locations. However, it is more expensive and can experience slight delays due to the long distance and signal need to travel.
There are 4 real-life impacts, which is first, critical healthcare. It enabling remote robotic surgery via ultra-reliable, low-latency communication and real-time patient monitoring. Second, autonomous V2X mobility. Vision to everything communication allowing self-driving cars and smart infrastructure to exchange data instantly to prevent accidents. Number 3, industrial digital twins, a private 5G network running automated factory creating real-time digital clones of machinery for predictive maintenance. Number 4, digital equity, using fixed wireless access and new satellites to bridge the digital divide in rural or isolated regions. And these are the core challenges. First, spectrum and signal blockage. High frequency offer massive bandwidth but suffer server attenuation. Signals are easily blocked by walls, rain, or human hands. Second, security and attack surface. Massive IoT deployment exponentially increase network vulnerabilities, risking breaches in smart grids, autonomous visual, and medical devices. Third, sustainability and power. Running millions of continuous small cell base stations and AI-driven network create massive energy and carbon footprint. Fourth, geopolitical fragmentation. Trade tension and regional technology ban strengthen global hardware supply chains and unify protocol standard.
In conclusion, wireless communication system have revolutionized the way people communicate and share information by eliminating the need for physical connections through the use of radio wave and other electromagnetic wave. Technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, and satellite communication provide fast and efficient connectivity. As technology continues to evolve, wireless communication will remain a vital part of modern society, supporting innovation, improving convenience, and connecting people across the world.